Hello guys! For today's video ay may isi-share na naman ako sa inyo na bagong agency na pwede nyong pag-applyan. Bound Europe po ito guys at ito ay papuntang Romania. Okay, ito guys yung agency ng RA Link Career Link Incorporation. Meron sila guys hiring bound to Romania ng mga nanny and household service workers. Ito ay located sa 4F MRDC Building number 85 Buendia Avenue, Barangay Palanan, Makati City. Ayan guys, At ito yung mga requirement na kailangan ng agency. Kailangan nila dyan mga ex-abroad, female, 30 to 45 years old, at least high school level, with 2 years minimum relevant experience, with ready passport, valid at least 2 years, knowledge in ironing, cooking, cleaning, taking care of children, and babysitter. Okay? Nakalagay dito, interested applicant, kindly send their updated resume to ralkmtgala@gmail.com. Ilalagay ko guys sa aking screen yung email nila para pwede kayong mag-email. Nakalagay din dito guys na no walk-in applicant allowed until further notice, per manpower pooling only, no fees in any form and or purpose will be collected from the applicant. Be aware of illegal recruiters, human traffickers, and thank you. Ayan guys, bound po ito sa Romania. Dito rin guys, nakita ko na nag-hiring sila ng mga massage therapist bound to Czech Republic. At ang kailangan nila dito, mga job opening in Czech Republic, massage therapist. Requirement and qualification nila dito, must have a valid passport, female. Ayan ngayon lang to guys, November 22 nung nag-hiring sila nito, female, 40 plus years old. 40 plus years old. Yun yung nakalagay sa kanila. NC2 holder, massage therapist with at least 2 years experience in Thai massage, good health condition, and no criminal record. Tapos nakalagay din guys doon, kindly send your updated comprehensive resume together with your valid passport copy and an NC2 training certificate to ralmaribel75@gmail.com. O sige guys, magkaiba sila ng email na pwede nyong pag-applyan. Ito guys, nakita ko siya 40 to 50 years old ang nakalagay doon sa mga massage therapist. Ayun lang yung guys na hinard nila, bound to Romania, Meron nagpapadala rin pala sila guys ng Singapore. Ayan. Nagmaman-power pooling din sila ng Singapore. Nakita ko lang to guys. Yun nga dun sa at saka sa Japan. Nagpapadala rin sila sa Japan. Ayan. Nagpadala rin sila ng mga trailer truck drivers. Ayan. Bound to Poland. Pero na to guys, yun nga, ang latest nila ngayon is yung bound to Romania na mga nanny at saka household service worker. At yun lang guys, sana makatulong tong video na to lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na gustong mag-apply abroad. Para sa ating mga nanny at household worker, ayan, nilalagay ko yung bawal po itong mag-walk-in guys inuulit ko, hindi sila tumatanggap ng walk-in. I-check nyo na rin din guys yung page na ibibigay ko para dito. At nakita ko naman mayroon silang lisensya ng DMW, Department of Migrant Workers. And check nyo na rin yung page at ilalagay ko rin sa aking sa aking screen yung kanilang email kung saan kayo pwede mag-email. Okay guys, at sana makatulong, pa-share, pa-like, at pa-follow na rin po ng aking account para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video ginagawa. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.